What's up, guys? We're on spring break. Headed to Nashville for the day.
What is that intro? Hello.
Sellers didn't like my intro. Let's see if he can do any better.
Hey guys, we're going to Nashville today, so we're just yep, we'll keep quintessential.
See, mine wasn't so bad after all. Yeah, we're headed to the Funky Griddle in Nashville for breakfast. That's going to be our first stop. So I've never been there. I think Sellers has been there, maybe.
Yeah.
Do you remember the Funky Griddle?
I don't even know what it is. I haven't. I've probably been there.
Yeah. All right. It's a little short. We made it, guys. Successful.
Well, we made it to Nashville. We're still getting to breakfast.
There's the Funky Griddle. Funky Griddle.
Wait, is that where we're going?
Whatever you say it. I'm not real sure.
Mommy, it's not called the Funky Griddle.
I didn't say that.
It's the Funky Griddle. See? Right there.
Oh, this should have been P8.
This little bitty house, I think we actually cook for ourselves. So this should be interesting. We'll keep you updated. We made it in.
Oh, hey. Yeah.
Here's our table. We're just waiting on our food to get here.
Yeah, we're just waiting on
So we can cook.
Yes, we gotta cook.
All right. The food has arrived. Check this out. I'm making my French toast. I gotta cook my egg, the hash browns. Seller just got his pancakes going.
About to flip it.
About to flip it. Just flip it.
I got M&M's and Nutella. Put them together, and they make waffles.
The French toasts were amazing. And this guy.
Oh yeah, I'm eating my Nutella out of this because why not?
Woo, that was successful. I am full. Are you full?
Yeah, I'm full. I ate 2 spoons. Quint says it's a law that you can't eat more 2 spoons of Nutella, so I broke the law and I ate 3 spoons of Nutella.
Tell them to have a funky day.
Have a funky day. Have a funky day.
We're headed to Opry Mills to the Lego exhibit. So we'll show you guys once we get there. You excited, fella?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, he's real excited, in case you guys know. Hey, check out the Star Wars poster. And then my favorite,
Look, they're watching a movie.
Star Trek.
Dude, alright, we have 6 found.
Wow, that's cool.
Guys, we found.
So, what are you building?
A creeper.
Look at that creeper face. I built a little mini Enderman.
Dude, yeah.
And let's look over here at this one. What is that? We are going to Phillips Toy World. Phillips Toy Mart. On our way to Phillips Toy Mart.
I'm not putting that in the video.
Putting this in the video.
We're at Phillips Toy Mart.
Look at these baby avocados. Big banana. Seller says he's never been to a toy store before. I mean, come on. Who can remember Toys R Us? I mean,
It's on video.
Toys R Us, right?
Yeah, I've been to Toys R Us, but it went out of business, and it's sad.
It is very sad.
Okay, this is the shock dog.
No, it's a Daco.
Yeah, it's a Daco. And this is a hot dog. This is a barker. And this is a
dog nut.
a pug nut. Puzzled them.
We're in Seller's section. This is more his speed right here. These little puzzles right here. What's up? We just finished in the toy store and Sellers wants to show everyone what he got.
All right, I got a Rubik's Cube, but it's like a barrel.
It It's a barrel cube.
It's a barrel cube. I'll unbox it and show it to you at home. And I also got the barker. And I got a snacking log.
Bro, we made it.
It was tough. Quentin didn't know where he was going for about a whole hour.
And the whole time.
We're on E. We may be stuck in Nashville tonight.
Yes, we might be, but at least we still have a barker. Oh, by the way, I haven't tried the Rubik's Cube at all.
No.
We ate we have this really good idea for a video.
No. We'll save that for. We're not gonna spoil it.
Why don't we tell them?
No, we don't want to spoil it.
Alright. But it's a really big
But
video.
it has a lot to do with pizza and food.
Yes, if you ever
In
see
Nashville.
a video about pizza in Nashville, then you'll know what it is.
All right.
And you'll know what we're talking
We're
about.
going to the bowling alley.
I'll see you guys there. Quint is mad because the GoPros got stolen, aren't you?
Oh, you little joker.
It's Quint's turn. He says he's gonna do good, but you all know he's gonna do bad. Alright, good. Not as good as I'll do. I'll get a strike. Alright, Quint gets one more shot and then it's my turn, obviously. Quint's not gonna get this one. How do you feel about this, Quint?
One more? Just one?
Quint, how do you feel about this?
Oh, this is going down.
Good. Quint did it. All right.
Oh, that's a good one, buddy. All right. You got that. So we're here at Penn's Mechanical. It's a pretty awesome place here in Nashville. And we're taking a break from the bowling and check it out. Playing a little Donkey Kong. So, how do you like this place?
I'm playing Donkey Kong.
You like this place?
Yeah, I like this place. I'm playing
Pretty cool.
Donkey Kong.
Cell has found Street Fighter now.
And sour cream.
The day's still going. We just stopped at the 7-Eleven and somehow Sellers found a bunch of toys.
I found a Minecraft cave spider. And
You
I
got-
found some rough flaming hot cheddar
Look
and
at
sour cream.
We got those flaming hot cheddars. It was a smart
And sour cream.
and sour cream with smart water.
Everyone forgets the sour cream.
We're headed home now. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, we're making it home. It's like
7:45.
what? It's 7:44. Yeah, 7:44.
It's been a long day, but we had a blast.
Guys, if I'm up at 12 o'clock, then that will be the next clip. If I'm up at 12 o'clock, I will come and sneak out and get the camera. It's a promise I'll make to you. Pinky promise.